The room is very scattered, but don't mind. See this table right here. You see this table? This is a cooking table and it's too close to my bed. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be shifting this table to the other side and then see if I can remove this stuff that is there to that side so that I'll have a space here. Like at least there should be a space between my bed and the table. So if I want to lie down, I can comfortably lie down if there's heat. Right now there's heat though. This is the period where I pay for all the things I've committed. Seriously, this period is very hot. For me to be cooking inside here and still be staying in this room, know that I'm really trying my best, but I'll see what I can do to make it more comfortable for me.
There was a time in life when I thought all was lost. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. You changed my story of woes to joy. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. And so I will give you all I have. Receive, Lord, my offerings to you, which I offer with my friends today. Transform them and transform us. Purify them and purify us in this sacrifice divine for always, Lord. You know that I have given all I have. I will tell this story to my neighbors. I will tell the story to all my friends. I will sing for you. I will praise your name. I will dance for you, for there's none